Hi guys, welcome back to SPTech YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you about how to make thumbnails using your laptop or PC. Uh, you should not download any software. You can read it by PowerPoint application. Click here and search PowerPoint. Click it and open like this. If you want, you can take one picture from the Google like this. Go to images and you can take any picture. I will take this. No, I'll take this. See guys, like this it's downloading. And minimize the Google Chrome and go to my computer, and where you have saved the photo, take it. Copy and paste it here like this. And here you can see title, you can take title to here and write here something. Like this I will take to here and like this you can keep and take the subtitle and keep it here. Like this you should keep it there, and right here see guys, like this you can make the thumbnails. You can try this all and you can make a nice thumbnail. And if you want to save this, click here and go to save as. File name you can enter anything, and save as type you should enter PNG, portable network graphics format, or JPEG file interchange format. I will take JPEG file interchange format and click save. And currently one slide only. So guys, I think you have learned something from this video. So subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.